Home Remedies presents.
Doctors are speechless. Mix black seed oil with baking soda powder. Fixes 17 everyday health and skin issues. Black seeds are known as the seed of blessing, and baking soda is one of the most versatile ingredients in every home. But when you mix black seed oil with baking soda, you get a powerful multi-purpose paste that helps with 17 different everyday issues. From skin care to digestion comfort, from bad breath to tired feet. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. This 2-ingredient remedy is natural, budget-friendly, and incredibly easy to make. Let's go step by step. How to prepare it, 17 ways you can use it, and how to apply it safely. How to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon black seed kalonji oil, a few drops of water if needed. Method: mix baking soda and black seed oil in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 drops of water only if you need a smoother paste. Stir until creamy. Store for 2 to 3 days in a cool, dry place. Your healing paste is ready. 17 everyday issues this remedy helps with. Dark underarms. Black seed oil softens skin while baking soda gently exfoliates. How to use. Apply a thin layer, leave for 5 minutes, rinse. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Dark neck, acanthosis-like appearance. Helps brighten and smoothen the skin. Rough elbows and knees. Softens thick, dry areas naturally. Body odor. Baking soda neutralizes odor. Black seed oil nourishes skin. Foot odor. Use as a gentle scrub on feet before showering. Cracked heels. Softens the skin when used at night before applying moisturizer. Dandruff, external scalp only. Apply only on the scalp surface, not hair. How to use. Massage for 2 minutes, leave 5 minutes, wash off. Acne spots, not active pimples. Use as a spot treatment on old marks only. Blackheads on nose. Gently exfoliates and unclogs pores. Skin itching, mild surface itchiness. Apply a very small amount to calm the area. Mouth odor, external use only. Rub a tiny bit on the outer jawline. Black seed aroma may help freshen. Bug bites. Soothes mild itching. Ingrown hair bumps. Helps exfoliate gently around the area. Dark spots on hands. Use as a mask twice weekly. Tired feet. Scrub feet before bedtime for refreshing comfort. Excess oil on face, weekly treatment. Acts like a gentle deep cleanser. Underbreast sweating or odor, surface use only. Keeps the area dry and fresh. Apply only externally and rinse off after 5 minutes. How to use. General method. Apply a thin layer on the area. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes max because baking soda is strong. Rinse with normal or lukewarm water. Moisturize after applying on skin. Use only 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Important precautions. Do not use on inflamed skin, wounds, or active acne. Not for private areas, eyelids, or broken skin. Patch test first. Baking soda may irritate sensitive skin. Not for babies or very sensitive skin types. Avoid using on face more than once a week. So that's the magic of mixing black seed oil with baking soda. 2 simple ingredients and 17 practical everyday uses. Whether it's dark areas, rough skin, odor control, or scalp refreshment, this easy remedy can become your new go-to solution for natural care. Try it out and comment below which remedy you want me to make next. Simple, natural, effective. That's the beauty of home remedies.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.